How to get dividends on Webull. So you're holding dividend-paying stocks on Webull and wondering, how do I actually get paid? Do I need to do something? Is there a setting I missed? Let's clear it up. If you own shares of a company that pays dividends, and you hold them through the ex-dividend date, you're eligible. That's the key. You need to own the stock before that date. If you buy it on or after the ex-div date, you're out of luck for that round. Now, once the dividend is declared and the payment date hits, Webull credits it to your account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. It shows up as cash in your buying power. You can withdraw it. You can reinvest it manually, or you can let it sit. But if you want it to automatically go back into the same stock or ETF, you'll need to enable DRIP. That's Webull's Dividend Reinvestment Program. To turn on DRIP, open the app, go to Account Management, tap Dividend Reinvestment Program, choose the stocks or ETFs you want to reinvest into, save your settings. That's it. Once it's active, Webull will use your dividend to buy more shares, fractional if needed. No fees, no extra steps. It's automatic. But only for eligible securities. You'll see a green diamond icon next to them. If it's not there, it's not DRIP ready. Some users say the dividend shows up as pending for a few days before it hits your balance. Others mention delays compared to other brokers. It's not instant, but it does arrive. And if you're using DRIP, the reinvestment usually happens the next trading day after the dividend posts. If the amount is too small, like under $1, it might just stay as cash. That's normal. So yeah, getting dividends on Webull is simple. Own the stock before the ex-div date, wait for the payment date, get the cash, or turn on DRIP and let Webull reinvest it for you. It's passive income. It's compounding. And once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. Just don't expect it to make you rich overnight. But over time, it adds up.